Hey guys, welcome to the azxp channel. Well, today I want to talk about cleaning the air cleaner on your quad. This specific one is a Yamaha Raptor, but I think this will be the same for most. What you'll need is K&N oil and a K&N cleaner, a simple garden hose. So what you do is pull your seat, and your air cleaner's right there. Okay, there, I think you can see that. So just take it off. There should be some sort of wing nut, or however yours comes off. Just take the wing nut off, like so. And then it should all just slip right out. There's your air cleaner. You can see how dirty mine is. So look at the before. Okay, then we'll just bring it over to the table. We'll just stand it up and we will spray it down. Get the dirty part out. And just spray it down with the cleaner, not the oil. And I'm almost out. Hope I have enough. After this I'll order some more. I'll leave a link in the description. Might want to do this a couple times, but I don't know if I have enough to do it a couple times. So you just want to spray it really generously. And I'm out. I'm close to out. I don't have any more, but hopefully I have enough to give you the gist. And then you want to get the bottom too. Alright, so you're going to want to let it sit, and you want to rinse it before it dries. So you want to let it soak in a little bit, but rinse it all off before it dries. Okay, this is not a K&N. It's too dirty, you can't read it. It's been so long. But I've had this for years. I just clean it up after just about every ride I do this. So we'll just let it sit, soak in a bit, and we'll rinse it off. Be right back. Okay, we're back. We're gonna rinse this off before it dries. Need to put my hose on shower mode. I'm just going to rinse it off with a garden hose. So I didn't even really put that much on here. You can already tell the difference. Get the bottom. Get the inside out. Hard to do this with one hand. Alright, then once we get it all rinsed off, there's a little spot on the bottom that could be fixed, but let's see if we can rinse it. Alright, well usually that comes up, but I ran out. But look at that. Look how clean that is already. So just come over here and shake it out. Try not to get on the camera lens. And then usually what I do is I let it sit overnight and dry. But since it's 110 degrees out, I may just let it sit for an hour or two and it'll probably dry right there. And then I'll show you how I oil it. Okay, after we cleaned it, we can tell it's a uni. While we were waiting for this to dry, I ordered some new cleaners. They actually have uni cleaner, so I ordered some uni cleaner this time. I'll put a link to the K&N and the uni cleaner so you can use whatever you want. I've never had a problem with the K&N, but I figured I might as well order the stuff that they suggest. So here we go. This is all dry now, and so we're going to oil it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Mine has a little bolt right here that I can use as a handle, which is very nice. So I just shake the can a little bit, and then I just give it some nice, kind of like you're painting it. Just give it a light coating. You don't need too much. It's just going to hold dirt. And a little bit in the bottom. And that's it. It's all done. So all that's left is to put it on. Thanks for watching. Do something amazing. Until the next time, we'll catch you later.